Is your business truly prepared for a world without internet? Imagine this, a massive outage hits. The Wi-Fi goes down, cellular data tanks, and suddenly, your carefully optimized field service operation grinds to a halt. Your technicians are stranded, unable to access job details, customer histories, or even process payments. It's a nightmare scenario, right? For many businesses reliant on cloud-based software, it's a terrifyingly real possibility. But what if there was a way to keep things running, even when the digital world goes dark? Specifically, when it comes to ServiceTitan, the industry-leading field service management platform, can you truly use it without an internet connection? Now, before we dive deep into the technicalities, let's set the stage a bit. For those unfamiliar, ServiceTitan is a behemoth in the world of home and commercial services. It's designed to streamline everything from scheduling and dispatching to invoicing and customer management. It's a comprehensive, all-in-one solution that has revolutionized how many businesses operate. And like most modern software, it's primarily cloud-based, meaning it relies heavily on a stable internet connection to function at its best. This reliance is what often sparks the what-if questions when the internet flickers. The immediate, knee-jerk answer to, "Can you use ServiceTitan without internet?" is a nuanced one. In a strict sense, no, you cannot fully utilize all the robust features of ServiceTitan without an internet connection. ServiceTitan is built on a cloud infrastructure, which means the core database, the real-time scheduling updates, the comprehensive reporting, and the seamless integration with other tools all require a live connection to their servers. Think of it like online banking. You can't check your balance or transfer funds if your internet is down, no matter how good your bank's app is. The data simply isn't there on your device, it's housed remotely. However, that doesn't mean your business completely grinds to a halt. This is where the crucial distinction between online and offline capabilities comes into play, and it's where ServiceTitan really shines in its forward-thinking design. While the full, real-time experience needs the internet, ServiceTitan understands that field service professionals are often in areas with spotty connectivity, or worse, no connectivity at all. That's why they've built in robust offline capabilities to keep your technicians productive, even when they're off the grid. The key to ServiceTitan's offline functionality lies in its mobile application. Your technicians, armed with their tablets or smartphones, can download and store critical job information directly onto their devices before they head out to a job site. This is a game changer. Imagine a technician pulling up to a remote location with no cell service. Normally, they'd be dead in the water. But with ServiceTitan's offline mode, they can still access customer information, full customer profiles, service history, previous invoices, and any notes from prior visits are all accessible. This allows the technician to provide personalized service and understand the customer's needs without having to call the office or guess. Job details, the scope of work, specific instructions, necessary equipment, and any relevant attachments like photos or diagrams are all available offline. No more fumbling with paper orders or trying to remember verbal instructions. Forms and checklists. Many service jobs require technicians to fill out specific forms, complete checklists, or conduct inspections. ServiceTitan's mobile app allows these to be completed offline. This ensures compliance, accuracy, and consistency across all jobs. Pricing and estimates. For predefined services and parts, technicians can often access pricing information offline to create accurate estimates and present options to the customer on-site. This speeds up the sales process and allows for immediate decisions. Local data sync. This is the magic. While offline, all the work the technician performs, filling out forms, adding notes, capturing signatures, completing tasks, is saved locally on their device. The moment an internet connection is reestablished, the app automatically syncs all that data back to the main ServiceTitan platform. This means no lost information, no manual data entry later, and a seamless transition back to the online world. So, what are the limitations when you're truly without internet? The real-time aspects are where you'll feel the pinch. Without a connection, real-time dispatching and scheduling changes. New jobs cannot be dispatched, and existing schedules cannot be dynamically altered in real time. This means the dispatcher in the office won't know a technician has finished a job until they sync back online. Payment processing. Credit card payments and other online payment methods cannot be processed in real time. While technicians can still record payments received, e.g., cash or check, the actual digital transaction won't go through until they're back online. This means you might experience a delay in funds being deposited. Live communication with the office. Features like in-app messaging or live updates on job progress won't function. Communication would revert to traditional phone calls, if cell service is available, or wait until the technician is online. Access to new information. If a new customer record is created in the office, or a new price book item is added, the technician won't see that information until their device syncs. Advanced reporting and analytics. All the powerful reporting and analytical tools within ServiceTitan, which rely on up-to-the-minute data, won't be accessible or updated while offline. The implications of these limitations are significant for real-time operational efficiency. If you're running a highly dynamic business with constant schedule changes and a need for immediate updates, prolonged internet outages could be disruptive. However, for the core function of a technician performing a job in the field, ServiceTitan's offline capabilities ensure continuity. The design philosophy behind ServiceTitan's offline mode is clearly rooted in practicality and understanding the realities of field service. They recognize that internet connectivity isn't a guarantee everywhere, and businesses can't afford to stop simply because a signal drops. It's about empowering technicians to complete their tasks, capture crucial data, and serve the customer, regardless of their network status. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.